20 sentences in present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is used for habitual actions, general truths, and states of being. She loves to read books. She loves to read books. They play football every weekend. They play football every weekend. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. It rains heavily in the monsoon season. It rains heavily in the monsoon season. He writes poems in his free time. He writes poems in his free time. We watch movies on Fridays. We watch movies on Fridays. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Dogs bark at stranger. Dogs bark at strangers. Birds sing beautiful songs. Birds sing beautiful songs. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun. Children like to play games. Children like to play games. She teaches English. She teaches English. He drives a car to work. He drives a car to work. They live in a big house. They live in a big house. I speak 3 languages. I speak 3 languages. The cat chases the mouse. The cat chases the mouse. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. You look tired today. You look tired today. He works in a bank. He works in a bank. We enjoy listening to music. We enjoy listening to music. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep learning. Talk you later in another video. Take care.